Black Cat. Well, no.
Let's welcome and say, out of London, England, the mighty David Rodigan. Come down.
Damn, base of the city, life must be so happy. You got last year's trophy, that's for Rodigan. He's trying to win a fight.
Jamaica!
A lucky crown, you got your woman to go home to.
Hey! Hey, Trooper! Trooper, you make a speech. You say you killed me enough time when you played with what? When you played with Kilimanjaro. So what? I never killed you in New York in 97? All night you yap. You talk about Kilimanjaro. I'm gonna play for you something you can't play. I'm gonna play the best DJ that ever worked on Kilimanjaro. You can't answer me back, Prentice.
Well, it's some little guy come talk with him a front teeth, gold teeth, side teeth, column teeth, piper and cancer and that. Rather than the killer if a boy was still out about 20 when I'm 41. Back when I want to test that. We they want to ram it up. And Mr. Rodigan, they want to rip it up. And all the blank card style and them a pick it up. From in the London town and where them touch it up. No questions to all y'all that just hold tight. No goes! You're watching keeping on the toes. Easy. Now the mercy. Jamaica. Galang. Jamaica. Bang ding ding. Jamaica. Galang. Yes, Jamaica is a land full of adventure.
Hey! Black Cat! You come from Christiana? You come from up in Mandeville? I'm gonna play a garnet soup for you. Boop.
Attention please. I want you to know Rodigan don't come to throw bottles or stones, fire gun or throw bombs in this time.
Jamaica!
Musical wickedness in dancehall places.
Hey!
Garnet successor.
Boom!
Let them keep talking.
Whoa! Hey!
Let them talk, keep them talking.
Whoa!
Hey, Rodigan gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking. Yeah. Rodigan got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking.
The first time I ever played on Mobay, in 1985, Walter Fletcher Beach, me and Mary G. I play something now and no sound can play, please.
David Rodigan, strong on ya. Oh, gonna play forever. Lord no, strong on ya. Hey, you just ring the alarm. Ticka-ticka-tack, Rodigan play non-stop. Ticka-ticka-tack, Rodigan play non-stop. Whoa. Straight from London to New York City.
Jamaica, first superstar. Before Bob, before Peter, before Bunny, before King Yellowman. Jamaica, first superstar. From Kingston, Jamaica, Prince Buster. No sound, complainers, no sound. Hey!
This is Prince Buster, the voice of the people. Pick him up, you lick him down, your bombs right up.
Trooper, you make a speech earlier on. I respect that speech. You said we need new young blood in the business. We do. I'm an old foot. But you know, in Jamaica, they have a saying. The older the moon, the brighter it. But Trooper's right. We need new young blood in this business. But right now, Trooper, you have a dance around on the stage with you. Have a message for him. Here it is.
Watch it, sound boy. Rodigan come to run things, man. Move over. See it? Pull over. Watch this. Now this one is dedicated to all Just Come selector who want contest David Rodigan.
Trooper!
Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana, go home.
Hey! Thank you, Jamaica.
Wanna stop on David Rodigan?